How to view old stories on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to view your old stories on Facebook even after they have disappeared from your profile. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon which can be seen in the top left side of the screen. And now here, once you are in your profile section, just tap on the three dot icon which can be seen beside the edit profile button. And now here, once you are in your profile settings, simply tap on the archive option. And now here in this section, you simply have to tap on Story Archive option, which can be seen at the top. And here, once you select that, on the new page, you'll see all your past Facebook stories, including photos, videos, and posts that you have shared as stories in the past. So here, you can just tap on any story to watch it again, reshare it, or save it to the archive as well. And this will automatically save all future stories for you to view anytime. And that's it. Now you know how to see your old Facebook stories anytime you want. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.